are stock exchanges bigger in Texas? It turns out things really are bigger in Texas, at least if you're Citadel or BlackRock and want to start your own stock exchange. I'm your host, Chris Thompson, and this is an IRL Media News Hot Take. Let's get into it. In a potentially significant development for the financial markets, the Texas Stock Exchange, abbreviated as TXSE, plans to officially launch in 2026 and compete with the long-established NASDAQ and New York stock exchanges. And this isn't just some small startup being built in someone's garage. This new stock exchange is being backed by some of the big-time financial powerhouses, including BlackRock and Citadel Securities. The idea behind the planned launch of the Texas Stock Exchange is rooted in the growing sentiment among some investors and corporations who feel disenfranchised by what they perceive as increasingly stringent and politically influenced regulations of traditional stock exchanges. The NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange have in recent years introduced several rules aimed at promoting diversity and corporate social responsibility. While these rules are well-intentioned, they've met with some resistance from some of those that view them as overreaching. The Texas Stock Exchange presents itself as an alternative that champions free market principles without the added layer of what some critics call woke politics. Texas has long been a symbol of independence and economic freedom, making it a fitting location for this new stock exchange. The state's business-friendly environment, coupled with its less restrictive regulatory frameworks, offers an attractive proposition for companies looking to avoid the more prescriptive measures of other stock exchanges. This appeal is further enhanced by Texas's robust economy and its status as a hub for various industries, including technology, energy, and healthcare. The involvement of financial giants like BlackRock and Citadel Securities adds significant credibility to the Texas Stock Exchange. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, and Citadel Securities, a leading market maker, bring substantial expertise, resources, and investor confidence. Their participation suggests that the Texas Stock Exchange is not just a regional experiment, a serious contender on the national and potentially global stage. While the Texas Stock Exchange's anticipated launch is generating excitement, it's also raising questions about its potential impact on the existing financial ecosystem. Some analysts believe that the Texas Stock Exchange could siphon off listings from both the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, particularly from companies that align more closely with its regulatory philosophies. Think red states versus blue states. However, others argue that the established exchanges have entrenched positions and a level of liquidity and global reach that will be challenging to match. The Texas Stock Exchange's approach to technology and trading infrastructure will be crucial for its success. Modern stock exchanges rely heavily on advanced technology to ensure fast, efficient, and secure trading. The Texas Stock Exchange is expected to leverage cutting-edge technology to provide a seamless trading experience, potentially incorporating innovations such as blockchain to enhance transparency and reduce transaction costs. Despite some early optimism surrounding the Texas Stock Exchange, it will face several challenges. Building a new stock exchange from scratch requires significant investment in infrastructure, regulatory approval, and the ability to attract a critical mass of listings and trading volume. Additionally, the Texas Stock Exchange will need to navigate the complexities of market dynamics and investor behavior, which are influenced by a myriad of factors, including economic conditions, political developments, and global financial trends. The idea of launching the Texas Stock Exchange is intriguing from both an economic and technological perspective, but it remains to be seen whether the Texas Stock Exchange can achieve its global ambitions. No doubt, its development will be watched closely by investors, companies, and regulators alike, offering a fascinating case study in interplay between regulation, market forces, and the innovation of the financial industry. If you like this video, do me a solid and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. I'm your host, Chris Thompson, and this has been an IRL Media News Hot Take.